Hi everyone, I am Aarti Srivastav from BCM School. I hope all of you are fit and fine. So today here, I am going to tell you how to draft a basic bodice. After learning it, we will get a front bodice and a back bodice. For this, we need to follow the measurement chart given in Fashion Studies book. So let's start. First of all, we need to take the length. Take length 17.1/4 inches plus 3 inches and width as half of bust width plus 4 inches. Now fold the paper lengthwise and mark a guideline 1 inch down from top. Mark it as a point A. A to B is front length, which is 17.1/4 inches. Now mark A to C and B to D as front width as 10 inches. Now join these lines. Mark D to E as center front length, which is 14.3/8 inches. CE is the front neck depth. For neck width, mark CF as CE minus 1/8 inches. Now square out the lines as illustrated. Here, draw the neckline curve using a French curve. Mark point G as midpoint of DE. From point G, mark a horizontal line to edge as apex measurement. Square a line from edge to eye. Mark DJ as center front to princess line measurement, which is 25/8 inches. Next step is to mark I to K, which is equal to IG. Now join HK and HJ lines. These are dart legs. K to L is marked as front waistline minus DJ. L to M is underarm seam length given as 7/8 inches. For armhole, we need to mark guidelines. For this, mark M to M1 to M2 as 2.5 inches. Now, B to N is shoulder to waistline measurement, which is 14.3/4 inches. Take N at the fold line. Next, mark N to N1 as half inches. Now draw the armhole as illustrated. For shoulder line, join F to N1. Mark F to F1 and N1 to O as half of shoulder measurement. Join F1 to H and O to H with straight lines. Our front bodice is ready. Now it's time to make back bodice. For this, we need to trace BD line on other half of sheet. Trace LM line also. Then extend MM1 line on other half of sheet. Next step is to mark BZ, which is back width. Z to Y is center back length, which is 16.5 inches. Y to X is same as CF, it is the neck width. X to W is 7/8 inches. Now measure Z to L1 and from this measurement subtract back waistline measurement. The result is the dart intake at point U. Now take Z to U as center back to princess line measurement. Mark U to V as dart intake. T is the midpoint of U and V. Square out a line from T to S and join the lines as illustrated. Now mark YR as 1/4 of center back length. RQ is back shoulder blade measurement. Q to Q1 is 1 inches as illustrated. Join W to N1 for shoulder line. W to P is half of shoulder plus 1/8 of inch. P to P1 is 3/4 of inch. P1 to P2 is same as W to P. Now join P and S with a straight line. Mark P3 such as it is 1 inches above the RQ line. Now for back shoulder dart, join P1 to P3. After this, draw the armhole as illustrated. You can see frame of front and back bodice is ready now. It's time to do the drawing now. For drawing, We must fold the shoulder dart at apex, matching the two dart legs with each other. Keep the folded edge towards the neckline. Join the neck edge and the armhole edge with the straight line. Use a tracing wheel to trace out the folded edge. Draw the back neckline curve as illustrated. Fold the shoulder dart at back also, as you can see here, matching the dart legs. Draw the shoulder line with the French curve as shown by dropping 1/8 inch on armhole edge. You can see the new shoulder line. At waistline, fold the darts as well as the side seam. After folding all the darts and side seam, we have to do the truing. True the waist with the help of French curve. The side seam is dropped by 1/4 inch as shown. This is the new waistline marked by red pen. Now my front bodice is ready. Information is written there. Bodice block, front size 32, green line, shoulder dart is there, waist dart is there. This is the back bodice with the information written on it, and the green line is also drawn there. I hope you learned a new thing from my video.